Welcome to my color lab. We mix colors at a tiny gene. What will we see on the screen? Count it in. 3, 2, 1, boom! Stir, stir, pour. Colors in the cup. Blue plus yellow. Swirl it up. What do we get? Green. 3, 2, 1, boom on the scene. Ribbit, ribbit, frogs appear. Green spots there and green hats here. Hop low, hop high, nice and slow. Freeze on a lily, ready, go. Frogs on the chairs, frogs on the floor. What can I do? Let's check the book once more. Stir, stir, pour. Colors in the cup. Red plus yellow. Swirl it up. What do we get? Orange. 3, 2, 1, boom! Fox. Wow! Tiptoe fox with a hunter's nose. Tracks little frogs where clover grows. Frogs leap fast, hide in the reeds. Fox waits, listen, soft as breeze. Freeze, like a frog. Speak like a fox. Some animals are predators and others are prey. Everyone needs food to live. Today we show the chase, not the bite. We need balance, music and fun. Let's try all 3 colors, everyone. Red, yellow, blue, stir around. What color now? Brown! Stir, stir, pour. Colors in the cup. Red plus yellow plus blue. Mix it up! What do we get? Brown! 3, 2, 1, boom! DINO Town! Stomp like a T-Rex, gentle and slow. Arms in front now, stomp, stomp, go! Fox keeps time with a tiptoe beat. Frogs hop back, then freeze on the seat. Blue plus yellow makes green. Okay. Red plus yellow makes orange today. All 3 mix to make brown. Hooray! Sun feeds leaves, leaves feed bugs, bugs feed frogs, fox eats to live. Shrugs. Round and around, nature finds a way. We learn, we care, we dance today.